My name is Lucy. I'm a material 3D artist. Usually, to create videos like this, you need special hardware, special software, and special skills. But not in our case. I created this video using only ArtisGL. With ArtisGL, I can do even more. For example, publish this presentation to game-ready 3-dimensional internet. I can produce any output, images, video, 3D web, augmented reality, virtual reality, social media just by one click. Everything takes minutes, not even an hour or days as it is now. ArtisGL Publisher is a unique technology which saves time and money of millions of 3D artists, web designers, architects, and animators. Why ArtisGL? Because I created this video using ArtisGL 3D Publisher.